Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm just doing a review of the second multi-port adapter hub, basically a USB-C hub that I've bought for my laptop. As I did in the previous video, you can see this one here I did for my partner because her work laptop has dual USB-Cs in this kind of format, and my one only has one USB-C. So I'll link to the in the description and the top right hand corner. You can see this actual review of this one here. So as I said, just be wary of the other one because it has this kind of format and layout on your laptop. My work laptop doesn't, so it only has one USB-C. So this is why I bought this second one as well. I bought these ones as well because their reviews on Amazon are like 3,000 plus, and it's near enough like 4.5 stars out of 5. So I don't normally go 100% on reviews, as we know sometimes they're not reliable, but with that many reviews and also going through Amazon and Amazon Prime and having their return policy as well if it's not that good, it's very reassuring as well. So as I said, this one is for my laptop, as I only got one USB-C, so it does cover a huge amount. So the previous one was 7 in 2, and this is 7 in 1, so it's basically 7 on the expansion here and 1 port there. So it's got their basically the USB-C data port is 5 gigabits per second. You've got two 3.0 USB ports Type A. You've got a HDMI port and that supports up to 4K at 60 Hz. You also got an Ethernet port, so an RJ45 up to 1 gigabit per second. Micro SD card and micro SD card up to 104 megabits per second, and also up to 100 watts power delivery as well. So so a lot into one little adapter, and it's quite good as well if you've got a not just a laptop as well, a desktop, and you've got limited ports as well. This actually expands it out hugely. So if we just open it up, well, first of all we'll have a look on the back. So as you can see here, the layout, as I said before, you've got the power delivery one there, and you've got your USB 3, 2 USB 3, and then you've got 2 USB 2.0 ports, a USB C, HDMI, and your micro SD and your SD card with your Ethernet on the side. So there's a lot of ports all around there. The packaging is nice, you know, and it's for the money as well. So they have thought a little bit about it and everything else, and the quality. So you can see here in the packaging. So it gives a bit of reassurance as well that the companies have put a bit of effort into what they're designing. So I'll just leave that there. So yeah, so as you can see here, you got quite nice. You got some little stickers going on. So it's quite nice to see. They include little things as well, little touches, and then you've got the little bookmark kind of thing. So just about the company and their website, so you can go to. It's nice that companies that add these little extras nowadays. Seems like companies are actually cutting back on what they're including in their actual product now. So like, you know, get power adapters, cables, and everything else. So they charge the same amount of money, but it's you're getting less. So as we can see here, first of all, the build quality is strong. Even if you drop that, you're not going to damage it. The cable's a good length as well, because I don't need a huge long cable for my laptop. It's just my workspace is limited as it is, and so it does come with a cover here for the USB Type C. So that's 5 gigabits per second. So as we said before, you can see here you've got your power delivery port here. Then you've got these are going to be your data ports. So you've got your 2 USB 3 and 1 USB 2.0. So these ones will be for your probably memory sticks or some faster transfer, and the USB 2, the same as over here, use the USB 2.0. You can use for your keyboard and mouse, and that's perfect for me. As we said here, you've got your Ethernet port, so you've got some ventilation as well. So if you're really getting a lot of data through this, then perhaps it might get a bit warm. So it's good to see they've thought of ventilation as well. And you've got LED lights as well to indicate that your Ethernet is working as well. On this side, we've got the micro SD and the SD slot. We've got, as we said before, this is USB 2.0, and then we've got the USB-C data port as well. It's good to see they've got a full-size HDMI port, so as we said, that supports up to 4K at 60 Hz. So as we said here, it's a very straightforward adapter and everything, and you can't really go wrong with it. And for the price, I think it was about £30. So you might be able to get it cheaper. Again, I'll link into the description where I bought it from on Amazon, so you can have a look on here. But again, the build quality in it is light, so even if you're putting it in thin as well, so you can just wrap that up and put it into your like we get standard bags, like laptop bags, so they're not very big, so it's perfect just to slot into there as well. And at least I can then plug in another monitor, and also with extra storage. You've got your data delivery there as well, so you've got all the ports that you really need, and more, to be honest, that this supports. So this is really good little device, and you can't go wrong really with it. And for the price, it's perfect for what I need. Same as the other one we bought. I've used this on my laptop for about 2 weeks now, and it's worked perfectly. I've not had any issues or anything overheating. It has got warm when I plug multiple things into. I've used the Ethernet and then the USB 2.0 with the keyboard and mouse, and my external monitor as well. So as you can see here, you're going to be pumping through a lot of things here. Just be wary. Again, these ports on the USB 3.0 are 5 gigabits per second, but eventually everything will go through one 5 gigabits per second port in USB-C into your laptop. So don't expect full speeds, but the things you're going to be plugging in here are not going to be at that high speed anyway, unless you're plugging in one of them NVMe drives and things like that. But very rare you're not going to be plugging one of those in here as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, and as usual, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.